Welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to discuss Tesla. Right now, the stock price of Tesla is going down because for the past few days, Tesla is having some issues in quality and they are doing some changes. But right now, we are going to tell you some good news, especially in the battery department of Tesla. This is Stock Market Now. Before we continue, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up so that we can create more informational and educational videos for you to consume. With that said, let's get right into the video. Last year, Tesla announced the 4680 batteries, and this is welcomed with some hype around it. Now, this battery is said to be a better battery since it can enable the model to go 700 to 800 miles in a single charge. Since they are releasing a new product, then they are needing a new production line. And right now, LG and Panasonic are competing on who can deliver the best production line to Tesla. There are rumors that LG Energy Solution is building a pilot production line for the 4680 batteries. This pilot production line is expected to build fast and give out a good quality of products. And it is expected that LG will be ahead of Panasonic in making this happen. It is good that Tesla hired both of the battery manufacturers because it is somewhat of a competition, and as a result of this, the companies are doing their job as fast as they can. Now, there are reports from the South Korean media showing off the pilot production line of LG and said that most of the things in the factory are already installed and big things are going to happen. LG is investing a lot of money into this, and also in the past, LG helps Tesla in developing their battery technology. Also Panasonic, they are working very close with Tesla for the past few years in their production line. Right now, many companies are putting their interest in EVs, and they are finding the best solutions and the many lithium-ion batteries for their developments. Now, if you look up the stocks of the companies that are producing cobalt, lithium, and other mining companies, they are going north right now. The Panasonic 4680 production line is being prepared, and it was said that they are starting a few productions of the technology. Now, we can also start to see some new batteries in the Tesla Model Y in Berlin, Germany. It is nice to have these batteries on the new Tesla EVs because it is faster, denser, and you can go further with it. Right now, Tesla is doing massive production of their new batteries, and they have been developing their new battery production facilities. One of their battery factories is found in Berlin, Germany, and they also put one in Nevada. Now, for the next 5 years, it is expected that major companies will also be releasing their electric vehicles, but Tesla will have an edge against their major competitors because by the time their competitors will release their EVs, their competitors are behind in developing their technologies for their EVs. Now, when Ford's CEO was asked if they will build a battery factory for their EVs, he said that it is a good idea, but they don't have any plans on doing it right now. Now, well, most of these companies are relying on third-party battery companies for the development of their batteries for their EVs. Before I continue, if you like these videos that you're watching right now, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and express your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below. Now, Tesla will have the biggest battery factory in the world when the Berlin factory will be fully operational. We can say that Tesla is not playing around, and they are focusing on the major problems that can affect the quality of their EVs. Tesla is also thinking long term, because for the next 5 years, other companies will not be focusing on lithium-ion batteries for their EVs. There is news that said that Tesla will know how they can have an edge against their competitors in the EV space. a lot of companies right now are starting to develop their own electric vehicles. Almost every single car manufacturer in the world is starting to release their own electric vehicles. Mustang just released their electric vehicle, Rolls-Royce, BMW, and even Porsche. Now, many people are asking how Tesla can separate themselves from the competitors. Now, the answer for that is making as many batteries as possible. Now, as I said earlier, many companies right now are starting to release their EVs, and Tesla is thinking that they can be branded as a battery manufacturer and supply many EV companies with their own Tesla batteries. Just like how Samsung provides screen panels to their competitors and makes a profit for itself, and Tesla can actually do the same. Now, if you think about it, the possible biggest battery factory is strategically placed in Berlin because a lot of these car manufacturers are also located in Berlin. Tesla expresses this many times that he wants to share their technologies with other companies. Right now, Tesla is doing a very good job. And one thing also, Tesla has an autopilot that can differentiate them from its competitors. Now, many car manufacturers right now are just focusing on making the best electric vehicle in the world and putting it on the market. Many of these companies don't have any plans to develop Autopilot for their EVs, unlike Tesla. Now, there are many EVs that you can select right now other than Tesla. But if you want to have someone to drive for you from this place to another place, and if you want that to be fully automatic, then I would highly recommend for you to buy a Tesla. Tesla's value right now is very high, and its technologies are also doing very well. Many people right now don't just see Tesla as a car manufacturer, but also a climate change company. Tesla is developing a lot of technologies that can help our environment for its betterment. Know what you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. But before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. This is Stock Market Now. We'll see you in the next video.